Welcome to the assembly guide of the maker supply generator I uploaded to MakerWorld. Get the printed parts of the build plate. Parts are divided into gearbox parts, gears and spacers, and the crank. Start with the base. First, we take the DC motor from the Maker's Beginner Kit from Bambu Lab. This is a motor, but you can use it reverse as a generator. Also take the power cables, we will need them to power the candle light later. Insert the motor to the hole. Use the spacer with a small hole and connect the gear with the small hole to the motor shaft. Always make sure that the gears move freely in each step. Use 2 of the other spacers on each pillar of the base. Place a small gear on the right side and a double gear on the left. Again, make sure that all gears move freely. Again, use 1 spacer on each pillar. Place a double gear to the right side. Use the gear with crank adapter on the left side. Use the last big spacer on the right side. Knock the gearbox on the table a few times to make sure all the gears are not stuck. Place the top part on the pillars. Make sure to push it not too far into the right pillar so the gears don't get pushed onto each other. Again, make sure that everything moves smoothly. Take the Maker's Beginner Kit again. We also need the M3x8 screws. And the LED candle, which we want to power with our generator. Now screw on the candle holder using the M3 screws. Of course, you can also use the hex bit that came with your Bambu Lab printer. Check again if everything moves smoothly. Now it's time to assemble the crank. Find the little notch on the handle. This has to align with the notch on the crank. Due to the design, it's a bit hard to assemble. Use much force, a hammer or pliers. The handle should move freely but not fall off. Place the pin into the square hole. Eventually you will also like to use a hammer or pliers. Same for the connection to the gear. Let's move to the power cables and candle. Connect both cables to the motor. Since we produce AC, it doesn't matter which cable goes to which side. Take apart the battery cap and battery from the LED candle. Make sure you see both legs from the LED. Connect one cable to each leg. Again, it doesn't matter which cable goes to which leg, since we produce an alternating current. Just make sure the metal parts of the cables don't touch. Place the candle into the candle holder. Finished.